Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Just got the latest iPhone 14 and forgot my password after just 2 days. The screen says iPhone unavailable. So sad. Is there any way could unlock it? Of course yes. I prepare you 3 methods to unlock your iPhone 14 without passcode. Let's try the first one. Way 1. Erase iPhone on unavailable screen. In iOS 15.2 or later, Apple offers us an option to erase the iPhone. This option will probably appear when your iPhone is unavailable for an hour and then try again. If this option doesn't show up, you can try to enter passcode a few more times. Just need tap erase, then erase iPhone. Then enter your Apple ID passcode. If the screen turns black, don't worry. The Apple logo will appear after a while and the data will be white. Well, now you can set it up as a new iPhone. So easy, right? Way 2. Restore iPhone. We need to connect iPhone to computer and put it into recovery mode. For iPhone 14, press the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the computer icon. Now, let's launch iTunes on your computer. Here is a pop-up of Restore Your iPhone. Here we click Restore. Normally, it can be completed after waiting for more than half an hour. Sometimes, there often occurs some unexpected errors, so if you want a safe and fast way, the following method is more suitable for you. Way 3. Factory Reset iPhone. This iOS system repair tool empowers you to reset iPhone, iPad, iPod to factory settings without passcode. After resetting, you can have full access to your devices without passcode, so let's launch it. Then connect your iPhone 14 to the computer. Now we need to put your iPhone into recovery mode so UltFone iOS system repair can recognize it. For iPhone 14, press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the connect to computer icon appears. Okay, go back to UltFone iOS system repair. Click Reset Device. Then Factory Reset. Download the firmware, then starts to reset. You can see that the reset is completed. The startup screen is on your iPhone 14. It means your iPhone 14 has been unlocked without passcode. Just like this. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.